If you're new to fishing, it may get confusing on which lures to use and when. There are endless makes, models, sizes, colors, patterns, which makes it really exciting but can also add to the confusion. We've made a list of the top 5 fishing lures that will help you in any freshwater fishing scenario. Number 1, jigs. Fishing jigs are commonly used freshwater lures equipped with weighted metal heads and a tail made of animal hair, soft plastic, feathers, or rubber. Anglers sometimes add minnows, crawfish, or soft plastic to the fishing jig's hook. Fishing jigs can be used to catch nearly every kind of freshwater fish. They can be dragged or jerked along the bottom or pitched and jigged, even in shallow cover around grass, fallen trees, and rock piles. A jig is great as a go-to or a fallback plan in so many situations, and for that reason, it's high on our list. Number 2, crankbaits. A crank lure, more commonly known as a crankbait, is a fish-like hard lure or plug designed to swim under the surface, often made of plastic or wood. Square-bill crankbaits usually dive to depths of 1 to 6 feet, while round-bill crankbaits or longer-billed crankbaits can dive much deeper because of the way it displaces water and its body style. Because of the bill or lip attached, they are great for fishing around structure or rocks because they tend to bounce off them instead of getting caught up as much. They also come lipless, which will dive at a depth dependent on how fast you retrieve it. The slower and longer you wait to retrieve it, the deeper it'll go. Number 3, topwater baits. Topwater baits are a must-have summertime fishing lure for aggressively feeding fish. Some topwater lures shake and dance, some vibrate, flash, and make noise, and others are meant to imitate creatures such as frogs. Each is meant to be retrieved in a specific way and can be super effective when the fish are feeling feisty. Number 4, swim baits. The natural action of a swim bait makes it great for so many different situations. They come in hard and soft options, but either way, the tail will have a certain wiggle action that entices fish. Soft plastic options are a great way to fish in grassy cover when paired with a weedless style weighted hook. They can also be paired with a jig and fished in deeper water. They are great options for a multitude of situations because of their lifelike appearance in the water. And number 5, plastic worms or stick baits. Plastic worms come in all different shapes, sizes, and colors, and the bass love them. They are versatile, easy to use, and are great for beginners. Some plastic baits have a scent built into them that is attractive to fish. They can be fished weightless, wacky rigged, Texas rigged, and many other ways. This is a great bait to get familiar with because of its simplicity and effectiveness. That is it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the Take Me Fishing YouTube channel. And for more helpful fishing tips, visit TakeMeFishing.org.